Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the chapter number 7, Emerging Modes of Business. Here we will discuss about what is the mean of the emerging mode of business. It means e-business, electronic business is the conduct of business on the internet. It covers not only buying and selling but also servicing customer and collaborating with business partners. That convenience, availability and the worldwide reach to the internet has been exploited by the many companies such as Amazon.com, the booksellers. IBM considers the development of intranets and extranets to be part of e-business. E-business also includes e-services, that is, the provision of services over the internet by the service provider. First of all, we must be know what is e-business. The concept of e-business, it means the electronic business is the conduct of business on the internet. It involves buying and selling. Let I remind you, it involves buying and selling products and also servicing customers and collaborating with business partners. It goes beyond e-commerce by integrating commerce tightly with business operation to improve performance, create value, and enable new relationship between business firms and the customers. The concept of e-commerce is the process. Electronic commerce, known as e-commerce, is the process of carrying out a commercial activities by using electronic means. It is a process of buying and selling products, services and information via computer network, including the internet. We follow this service. It involves electronic trading in goods, services and electronic materials. Nowadays, the electronic commerce refer to all form of business transaction which are carried out through electronic processing and transmissions of data, including text, sound and visual images. Just whenever you go to the Amazon.com, Flipkart, when you order something, the products which you like, you using the text, sound and the visual images which shows on the your mobile phone. Using informations and the communication technology, e-commerce can take place between companies and their customer, and the third one, between companies and the government department. Difference between e-commerce and e-business. E-business includes buying and selling of goods and services and also servicing the customer and collaborating with the business partner through electronic means. Has a narrow meaning than e-business. E-commerce is a subset of e-business. E-commerce refers specifically to paying for goods and services, whereas e-business covers the full range of business activities that can happen or be assisted via email or the web. Now, let I tell you the scope of business. The first of all, you can see the B2B, B2A, C2A and C2C, then it moves to B2C. Now, let I tell you what is B2B. B2B means business to business transaction, measure share of total e-commerce volume, value per transaction higher compared to the business to consumer and consumer to consumer application. B2B e-commerce is followed by several firms including Maruti Udyog, Telco, Bajaj Auto, Kinetic and the Thermos. Now, B2C. What is B2C? Under this, commercial transaction take place between firms and their customer. In B2C commerce, companies sell physical goods to customer online in a more personalized dynamic environment. Thus, each transaction under B2C represent an individual buying online in India. For example, Amul.com, who sells the Amul brand products, online under the B2C models. Now, the third one, that is called the C2C application. In the C2C applications, the seller may sell his services with goods by providing information on the net. This information may be evaluated by a request buyer to carry out a transaction. Similarly, the buyer may also give his requirement to select the desired services. Now, the fourth one, the C2C. C2B. Customers can band together to form and present themselves as a buyer group to business in a customer to business relationship. Such groups may be economically motivated, as with the demands aggregate on the Mercator.com, or socially oriented, or with cost related advocacy groups of Waxocap.com. Thanks for today. Tomorrow we will discuss business to business. B2B means e-commerce, interfirm transactions, and after that we will know about intra-B commerce, what is intranet, the benefit of business and the limitation of business. Thank you and have a nice day.